Yes, sir, y'all. Actually, Monday. I actually did have some good progress. I just started working. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, so I didn't film till right now. As y'all can see, it's nighttime. I got my spindles and calipers hung up. I started cleaning them boys up. Real nice. Uh, and I kept going over here too on the frame action. Let me show y'all where we at with it. Oh yeah. That bitch was greasy as hell. It still got a little bit of grease on there, but for the most part, that bitch is a lot cleaner than it was. I still got to degrease it one more time. I still got to sand, smooth out this little top piece real quick. But we getting there. We getting there. Spindles, I still got to pressure wash them, degrease them. So I still got a little ways. But shit, if it was like today, I should be finishing up, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. I hit it for a good 4 or 5 hours today. I ain't even gonna front, y'all. Alright, that's where we were at with it. So yes, sir. Well, we definitely progressed on the box. Obviously, I don't want to show you, man, me just wiping grease down and degreasing and sanding. Pretty boring. But we got to do it. It's actually, we're 2 days away from Christmas. 2 or 3 days? 2 days. My goal initially when I did Boxmas 2024 was to have this back motor running and driving by Christmas. And that's probably not going to happen. But it's all gravy. We're still going to continue hard. We're going to work on it all throughout. We're going to work on it. Shit, I think we're going to open Christmas Day as well. So I'll be here. I might as well work on the box. But, hey, I'm glad we're getting there. It is what it is. Story time then. I'm going to hit y'all with a little box story time. What should I hit y'all with today? What should I hit y'all with today? I got so many stories. I forgot stories. But okay. I'm looking at this front clip right here. Quick little story time pop up. I'm gonna make it a longer video one day and archive all the footage of our trip to SEMA with the box. But a story within that story is about the grill situation. So I kind of was sponsored by Rucci, but kind of wasn't. I still paid for the wheels. They did, and I paid for my trip to go up there. They didn't sponsor none of that. They said I had a spot. But one thing that they were going to sponsor for that box Chevy was a grill. They were going to pay for it completely. But obviously it was crunch time. They were going to give it to me in Vegas when we got there. So peep this. We moved mountains. I called in all types of favors. I used everything I had. All the homies helped me. We got the car on the trailer. We're heading to SEMA, right? Since they got a grill for me, it was like a Tierra style grill with the mesh. It was going to be gold plated like the wheels. I took the car with no grill. I got a grill waiting for me at SEMA, baby. Cool. We went through all the headaches getting there, yada, yada, yada. Fast forward, we literally in line with the car. I haven't even met the folks at Rucci in person. My salesman was named Jarrell. I met the owner and everything too. But I hadn't met him in person. I'm literally waiting in line to get in. We got each other's phone numbers. And he's like, I got it. Boom, 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 whatever, cool, they bring it, dog. I look at it, as soon as he's walking with a big old gold grill, I'm like, damn, it's not gonna fit. And you would think, most box Chevys are the same. So a lot of years are the same, yes. But here's what happened, it was real big face. I was like, no. They asked me what kind of car it was. I believe it was an 85 Caprice or 84. It was 84, 85 Caprice. But guess what? We put the Euro clip, the 87 through 90 clip on that bitch. This grill's smaller. The 85 grill is a lot bigger. Oh my God, tragedy, y'all. I'm in line at SEMA waiting to get in. We have no grill on the car. This makes no sense, dog. Like, there's no grill at all. Like, oh, I didn't take the stock grill. I didn't take no backup grill. I didn't know what the fuck to do. Anyways, well, fast forward, I got a day and a half to find a grill before the doors open. I'm in Vegas. Dog, I called Kevin up. I had grills at my house. I had a little custom grill I had made with a little Chevy emblem. This fool went to my house that night, painted that bitch. He had paint from the car and was about to overnight it the next day. This fool came through. I'm on Craigslist trying to buy shit. It's like 4 in the morning. I'm in the hotel room on Craigslist trying to find a grill. I'm hitting up, all the internets, everything I can do. Man, we ended up, I was even out of money. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I was out of money at this point, dog. You know, just getting there. I told Juan, I said, like, damn, fool, you got a couple hundred. Juan went with me. I told him, you got a couple $100 you let me borrow? I found a whole front clip for like 200 or 250, something like that. And he wouldn't just sell me the grill. So we ended up buying a whole bubble clip in Vegas just to get the grill to have on that car for SEMA. But the shit that we went through with that car, dog, and that shit was hilarious, dog. I was gonna get a grill sponsored and communication error. These fools made an 85 grill, and we have no grill, and that hoe ain't gonna fit. The type of shit, dog. But it was just a communication error, maybe. You know, you trying to build. I built that car like in a month from start to finish, so it was miraculously even there. So, anyways, appreciate y'all watching. Boxmas 2024 continues. We're gonna hit y'all for 2 more days straight. Let's see how far we get into this hole. We're almost ready for paint. Almost. So hopefully next video I'll be getting down on the rattle can action, dog. But hell yeah.